Guys, good evening. Monday evening. Good evening. What the heck? Lipat ako. I forgot. Monday, good evening. Monday night. Monday night. Guys, Santa sent some gifts again. Even Santa is, you know, Santa, enjoy, guys, cross arms, alam ko, Major Mark, Major Rinaldo Samson, how are you? I know now why you did not fall. Malapit na kayo ni Major Mark dyan eh. Major Mark and Major Rinaldo Samson are very close now. It's like a phone call away. Pwede si Major Mark may deliver sa'yo dyan, Major Rinaldo Samson. Ring lang. Kaya pala hindi ka tumatawag, busy mo lang. Lieutenant Edwin, Delfran, hello. And Papi Poch, hello. Enjoy your coming meal sim out in the north. Yeah, the Papi Poch will do some meal sim. Camping. Hopefully soon sama kami. Alam mo naman kami. Kilaos boys. Hello. May sorpresa kami sa inyo. May sorpresa ang Kilaos boys. Alam na natin yan. Next month. Guys, ito na guys. Yero! Army Armament from Outer Zone.ie. Okay. Guys, 4.03. 4.3. But this is a high kappa. Open. I'm nervous. High cap magazine. High cap. Major Rinaldo Samson. There's no light. Oh, we cannot see. Pero okay lang. Continue there. Bisitahin kita. I will visit you. And of course, the gun itself. English yun. Yun. Ay. Lupit nito. Yun. May ano pa. This line. It's very small. Compact. 4.3. 4.3 or 3.8? 4.3 to. Yun. You can hear the plastic. Yun. And guys, this is a threaded outer barrel. Threaded. But this is very tricky. The threaded outer barrel is 12 mm. So you need a 12 mm to 14 mm. So that you can put the tracer. With the tracer. It's here. No? So threaded barrel 12 mm to 14 mm. So you need the adapter. You need to buy any airsoft shop you have. Yan, no? Yun. But the adapter for the Raven Black series and High Kappa series, it will not fit here. So the adapter that will fit here, 12 mm to 14 mm, is the EPS. You know, EPS. You know why? Ngabalaan ko. Because Santa give another one across arms. Another one. What the heck? So this guy is the threaded barrel adapter. Yun. There's adapter, so you can put the tracer. Okay. So don't be confused. use. Cross arms. Iba talaga pag mabait ka. Sabi ko sa inyo, Gian, continue lang. Yun. So, 12 to 14 mm so that you can put the tracer. X-Cortec. You know. Because if you don't have this, then if you have the X-Cortec will not fix here, you know. So, yun. Best. 6.02 ang inner barrel. I don't know, 6.03 siguro. We'll see. But guys, here's a good thing. We'll try. Where's the... Just one. You know. Yun. Oh. Stop. Wait a minute. And then we'll see. Patikim ba? You know, just a taste. Just a few minutes. Few lang. Guys, the weather is very good today. The gas is smiling. Green gas is smiling. You know what is the temperature today? Mga 24 degrees. You know, the best, guys. Yun, we'll try. Yun. Staccato. Uy, say pa ba? Ang dami nito, guys, maliit lang. This is very good, short, compact. Yun. Hey. Best. The other one again. The other one. We'll try. Yeah, only few shots. It will do. Staccato. Army armament. You know. High kappa. Guys, high kappa. Yun. Hindi nilalaka. Short stroke na to eh. Yun. Guys, Santa, thank you. Outdoor Zone that I open the website. This is very nice. Very CQB. And the thing, you know. Very nice. So guys, thank you So music 1, 2, 3, 4. So Staccato Army Armament R607 from Outdoor Zone that I open the website. Very nice.